Hey, how's it going? My name is Whylde. I'm the chef here at the Pike Restaurant and Bar in Long Beach, California. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my dishes, chicken tequila fettuccine. A little fire underneath your sauté pan. You take your butter, liquefy in the pan, like so. We're going to make a soy lime juice. And all you need to do with that is take your soy sauce and squeeze fresh limes in it. Once you've done that, your butter will be ready. You just simply add it. The butter's going to mix with the soy lime. Place your chicken right into the pan, and then your mixed vegetable. Just like so. Then you're just going to cook this on a medium-high heat. For about a good 3 to 5 minutes. Those peppers and onions are going to get soft. Alright. Now that your chicken is fully cooked, your vegetables are soft, next step, and my favorite step in this, is playing a little fire. Then you add your tequila. Oh, that smells good. And reduce and cook off. Add the cream. Let your cream marinate with your soy, lime, butter, and tequila mix. Now this will all boil up and reduce down. Throw in some fresh cut cilantro. Last but not least is to add your pasta. This here we use fettuccine. Just give that a little touch in the boiling water. So you drain the pasta and transfer straight to the pan. Toss around. Chicken tequila fettuccine.